Is it game over for Google and OpenAI? A leaked memo from inside Google boldly claimed that no tech titan will dominate the AI market because open source AI is catching up fast. From Meta's Llama 4 to DeepSeek's R1 to Alibaba's Qwen 2.5, these open models are exploding in capability, don't break the bank to develop, and evolve quicker than TikTok trends. So, why are billion-dollar companies suddenly sweating over open-source AI? Let's break it all down. In May 2023, a private but prescient memo titled, "We have no moat, and neither does OpenAI," was leaked from Google, sparking major discussion across the AI world. The memo was written by Luke Cernow, a senior software engineer at Google. He claimed that open-source AI projects were moving faster and making more progress than large companies like Google and OpenAI were. While these big companies focused on competing with each other, they were missing the rapid and shared development happening in open-source communities. The memo explained that open-source developers were working together to solve key AI problems such as making models more efficient, easier to adjust, and simpler to deploy. It gave examples like Meta's Llama and Stability AI's Stable Diffusion to show how these efforts made advanced AI tools more available without needing expensive hardware or private data. Cernow also warned that Google's and OpenAI's closed strategies would not keep up with a global community that moved faster and shared knowledge more freely. But that's not all the memo warned about. In addition, big private AI models were no longer a lasting advantage. DeepSeek's rapid rise proved that point, forcing Sam Altman to commit to releasing an open-weight model, the first one from OpenAI since 2019. The memo also highlighted Vicuña 13b, an open-source chatbot that reached about 90% of ChatGPT's performance while only costing $300 in computing power. This example showed that creating quality AI no longer required large budgets or massive infrastructure like that used by Google or OpenAI. Cernow argued that Google's focus on competing with OpenAI and other major labs could not last unless it began supporting open-source work. He noted that open-source developers were moving too quickly, improving how AI models run, are fine-tuned, and shared. The leak of Meta's Llama model in early 2023 became a major moment for open-source AI. Once the model's weights were shared, developers from many parts of the world started adjusting and improving it for different tasks. They were able to do this using computers with simple hardware, which helped make powerful language models more available to everyday users. This open access allowed both researchers and hobbyists to work with advanced tools that were previously only available to large companies with powerful computer systems. Soon after, projects like DeepSeek and Mistral appeared, showing that open-source models could perform as well as, and sometimes better than, closed systems on common tests. Mistral's models, for example, gave strong results while using fewer parameters and needing less computing power. Today, these models can be trained on personal laptops and even run on smartphones. This change has helped more developers join the field, speeding up progress in AI. Open-source AI is gaining ground because it is faster, easier to work on together, and obviously more accessible than closed systems. Quick updates are a big reason for this. Developers in open-source communities can test and improve models much faster than private companies. This speed helps them keep up with new needs and use the latest tools and methods almost instantly. Another major benefit is global teamwork. People from different countries and industries work together, combining their knowledge to build better and more flexible models. Projects like Mistral and DeepSeek show that teams working across different places can create models that match or even do better than private ones in tests. Open-source models can be adjusted for specific tasks, like studying legal papers, helping with health checks, or writing stories. This is helpful for small companies and researchers who cannot build large models from zero. Also, new tools now let these models run on laptops and smartphones, making advanced AI more available to everyone. As open-source AI continues to grow quickly, companies like OpenAI and Google are changing how they work. In June 2025, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said the company plans to release a new open-weight model, which would be the first in several years. Although the release has been delayed, Altman said this model will be as strong as other top open-source models like DeepSeek's R1. This shows OpenAI is trying to stay competitive as the AI field changes fast. Google is also changing its focus. Instead of mainly publishing research papers, the company is now working more on turning its AI tools into real products. Now, both companies must find a way to protect their business models while also being more open, or they may fall behind even further. Meanwhile, a major Chinese tech company that has traditionally been known for its e-commerce prowess has joined the AI elite. Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 model and its newer Qwen 3 series have made China a strong player in the global open-source AI field. Released in April 2025, Qwen 3 includes models with sizes from 0.6 billion to 235 billion parameters and can work together with 119 different languages. These models are freely available under open licenses on platforms such as Hugging Face and GitHub, making it easier for developers around the world to use and improve them. Qwen models use a hybrid design that allows them to switch between quick responses and deeper thinking tasks. This helps users manage both speed and cost depending on their needs. One of the Qwen 3 models has even matched top scores set by OpenAI's O3 and Google's Gemini, showing that China is now ahead in some parts of AI development. This progress is changing the AI world. As Chinese models grow in popularity, American companies may need to open up even more to stay competitive. The debate between open-source and closed-source AI is no longer just a technical topic. It now affects society in many ways. Open-source AI supports transparency by allowing people to see how models are built, trained, and how they behave. This helps build trust and gives researchers, teachers, and developers from around the world the chance to learn from and improve these tools. It also speeds up progress and makes powerful technology more available to everyone. Still, making these tools open can also lead to problems. Many people worry that AI might be used to spread false information, invade privacy, or take away jobs. Since open-source models are easy to change and use, they can be used for harmful purposes like creating fake videos or launching computer-based attacks. This has led to demands for better rules, although people disagree on whether governments or companies should take the lead. Conversely, closed-source AI limits access, but helps reduce risks by having only known quantities in one company work on refining the model. But if AI is the most powerful tech tool available to the entire world, the era of closed AI systems may find its limit sometime soon. Ultimately, open-source AI isn't just catching up, it's the new normal. When a top Google engineer admits there's a problem, the future may belong to the crowd, not the corporation. But do you think open-source AI will truly dominate? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives.